Alex is bowling with his little play bowling pins. Yeah, that's the ball. Get it, throw it. Knock him down. Knock him down. Throw it. Yeah, good job. Get the rest of them. Throw it again. Come on, leave that alone. Hey, Alex, throw the ball. What are you doing? Leave it alone, please. Throw the ball. Hey. Somebody got a little distracted. Yeah, knock him down. There you go. Throw the ball at him. That works too. That works too. Put him back up. Can you set him up? Yeah.